everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am going to explain 10th class math sample paper. It's a original paper. You will get the same model paper in your exams. Earlier it was a 40 marks question paper, so the pattern was different. We know that. Now it is a 80 marks question paper. You have only 6 papers and this is only a 80 marks question paper. Let us have a nice discussion on this question paper. Timing is 3 hours 15 minutes. In this time, you will have to complete part A and part B. Instructions are: Instruction 1. Read and understand the question paper. First, you have to read and understand the question paper. Instruction 2. Answer the questions under part A on a separate answer book. First, they will provide you 2 answer books. You have to write part A and part B. Write the answers to the questions under part B on the questions paper itself and attach to the answer book or part A. So, they will provide you 2 answer books now. So, you have to write part A and part B and attach to the part A and submit it. Part A contains 3 sections. Write the answers following the instructions given in each session. So, each sections they given instructions, we have to follow them. Part A, instructions are in the section 1. Answer any 6 questions choosing 3 from each of the following 2 groups A and B. So, answer any 6 questions. They are given 6 questions. We have to write any 3. In group A and B, each questions carry 2 marks. In group A, there are 6 questions. We have to write any 3 as our wish. In group B also same. Section 2. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Instructions are: answer any 4 of the following 8 questions. Each questions carry 4 marks. So, in these 4 questions, we have to write in these 8 questions, we have to write any 4 questions by our wish. Each questions carry 4 marks. Section 3. Answer any 4 questions choosing 2 from each of the following 2 groups A and B. Each question carries 8 marks. So, in group A, there are 4 questions. By our wish, we have to write any 2. And in group B also same. And each questions carry 8 marks. And part B, and the time is 30 minutes, maximum 20 marks. Part B, note 1. All questions are to be answered. You have to write all questions are to be answered. And the second is each questions carry 1 marks. Answers are to be written in the question paper only. You have to write answers in this question paper only. Marks will not be given for overwriting, rewriting or erased writing. Oh my god. So, you have to keep in your mind, marks will not given for overwriting or rewriting or erased writing. Okay na? Write the capital letters for the correct answers in the brackets provided against each question. They will provide you brackets. You have to write in capital letters the correct answer. Okay. Here the questions are 20 questions. You have to complete 20 questions. Hope you all understand.